Hi, welcome to Play in the Park with our Albany Public Library STEM Storytime thanks to Better Beginnings.
Hi!
Hi! Now today we're going to build a tower like the one in Rapunzel.
Yeah, let's sing a song about building towers, Jamie.
Oh, cool! Alright!
Build it up, build it up, build it high. Build it up, up, up into the sky. Build it up, build it up, build it higher. Build it up, 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 up into the sky. This time let's do our hands.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Build it up, build it up, build it high. Build it up, 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 up into the sky. Build it up, build it up, build it higher. Build it up, 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 up into the sky. Oh, good job. That was fun.
Alright, now to help Rapunzel, we need to figure out which of these plaits is the longest one so that it can help her escape from the castle tower. Oh, how are we going to do that, Dora?
Well, we could use a few different things, couldn't we? How about we use some Duplo, like the one we just used for the tower?
Yeah, blocks.
We could measure one of Rapunzel's plaits, which is down here, with the Duplo blocks. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
What else could we use, Jamie?
Oh, yeah, no, we could use blocks, but we could also use pegs to measure it. 1 peg, 2 pegs. What else could we use, Dora?
Okay, we could use dinky cars.
Yeah, dinky cars.
Okay,
Cool.
let's see. Oh, maybe we should finish all the way to measuring the end of the plait this time. Ready?
How
1,
many dinky cars will it take?
2,
Oh, that yellow one looks fast.
3, 4,
4 cars?
5.
5
dinky cars.
Whoa.
Oh, that's a long plait.
Goodness me. What else could we use?
Meow.
Meow.
Meow. Go and park all the cars back in the garage.
Oh.
Beep, beep. Okay, and what else could we use? Oh, what about some coloured squares?
Yeah. Oh, how could we make them at home? I know. You could get a cereal box or some paper and cut your own little squares and use them to measure things.
That's a great idea. You could even colour them in with some textures. Oh, I've got a little rainbow coloured plait up here. Let's measure that one with the squares. You can help me count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Bit more. 5.
Not there yet.
6.
6.
6 coloured squares. Awesome. That was fun. Okay. Oh, what about you might have a measuring instrument at home that we could use as well. Do you have one of these at home? Can you see the numbers go from here, from 0 through to 10, 20, 30 and 40, right all the way to the end, 40 centimetres on this ruler.
Whoa, it's like a stick with numbers on it.
Yeah, stick with numbers. That'll make a great tool for measuring.
Okay, can you show me how to measure with that?
Yeah, sure. Okay, I'm going to line up my ruler onto the plait and line it up with the 0 and then follow the numbers along past 10, past 20, past 30 and whoa, all the way to 40. This plait is actually 40 centimetres long.
That is a long plait. I wonder if it's our longest plait.
Yeah, Rapunzel does need a really long plait to help her escape from the tower.
Oh,
Do you want to peg this one up there for us, Jamie?
Sure. What else could you use to measure, Dora?
I've got one more more cool thing to show you. It's another measuring tool. This one's called a tape measure. Can you see it goes in and out?
That
Very
looks like
tricky.
fun.
And you can see the numbers on it as well. Now, let me see. The numbers at the top are quite widely spread apart and they're inches, but today we're going to use the little numbers down the bottom, which are the centimetres. Can you see them? 1, 2, 3, 4, and it keeps going. Whoa! I don't think we've got a plait that long.
You could measure the whole room with that.
I could. Okay, let's use the tape measure to measure these plaits to find out which one's the longest. Before we do that, just by looking at them, can you predict which one you think it might be?
Would it be this one? Is this the longest one, the black one?
It is quite long, but can you see a longer one?
Definitely, the rainbow one's pretty long.
It might be the rainbow one. I think it might be the white one.
I think we'll have to measure them to be sure though.
Let's measure. Jamie, maybe you could write the numbers down.
I've got my trusty pen.
Okay, here we go. We'll start at the top and looking at the little numbers all the way to 16 for this one.
16?
That one is 16 centimetres long.
16.
Let's measure the white one this time. Oh, that one goes a bit further. Past 30.
Whoa,
Past
that one is
40.
long.
Oh, all the way down to 47. 47 centimetres long.
47.
Let's measure the black one next. Here we go. 0, 10, 20, 24 centimetres.
24.
We've got one more to measure. This rainbow one at the end. That one goes all the way down to 35 centimetres.
35. Put the lid back on the texter so it doesn't dry out.
Okay, so let's have a look at our numbers and see which one's the biggest number. Is it 16, 24, 35 or 47? That's right, it's 47.
47.
That is the longest plait. This white one here is the one Rapunzel needs to escape out of the tower.
Oh, hey, I've got an idea, Dora.
Yeah.
How about we line up all the plaits from the smallest one to the biggest one? Then we'll definitely know which one is the biggest.
That sounds like a great idea, Jamie. Okay, well, this one measured the longest, so would you like to put that one down the end?
Okay, longest one first. The white one.
And which one's next? Oh, this one's longer and longer. The rainbow one's longer. So let's take the black one down and put the rainbow one up. And then, is it the little rainbow one or the black one? The black one's longer, isn't it?
I think the black one is longer.
There we go. Does that look like the right order? Biggest to smallest.
Or smallest to biggest. Yep. So, I think we've figured out, Dora, which one is the longest.
Yep.
Which one's definitely the longest?
Definitely the white plait is the longest.
Oh, well that's it then. I have to take the white plait and go and give it to Rapunzel so that she can escape from the tower. Oh, phew, well done. High five, right, Dora.
Great job, Jamie.
Good work.
Good measuring. Hope you have some fun measuring at home with some different things. See you next time. Thanks for joining us.
Which plait would look the best for me, do you think?
I think the rainbow one definitely suits you, Jamie. Bye.